Optimizing your image titles and alt tags are a total must for you upload your images to your website. But how can you make sure that your images are SEO friendly even before you upload them to your website? That's what I'm diving into in today's video. Welcome back to another edition of 60-Second SEO. I'm Mariah, a website strategist over at mariahmagazine.com, where I help website owners like you get more results from their website with less pressure. So, images. They can either help your SEO or not. So which two things should you do to every single image before uploading it to your website? Number one, you definitely want to reduce the size of your images. So if you're uploading huge images to your website, you're not only hurting your image SEO, you're making your website slower, which is another ranking factor. So before you upload an image to your website, make sure that you take a second to resize it to be the actual size that you need it to be. So when you upload a 3,000 pixel wide image to your blog post, you're making the browser work 2 times harder. The browser first has to upload the original 3,000 pixel image, then it has to reload the image size down to fit the area that it's actually uploaded to. So we want to avoid that and just upload the size that we need it to be. And then number 2, you want to make sure that you're compressing your images. So after you've resized your image, you still want to run it through a image optimizer to reduce the file size even more. Image optimizers strip the image of unnecessary information like camera details, metadata, color profiles, embedded thumbnails, and all that fun stuff. So by doing this, it'll help decrease the size of your image even more without even affecting the quality of it. If you're using WordPress, you can use a plugin like WP Smush It, or if not, you can use a free online image optimizer like TinyPNG. So that's it for today's 60-second SEO tip. If you like this quick tip, go ahead and give this video a quick thumbs up for me. And then don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on all the videos coming your way.